Alright, now we have the Quickie single block clamp. Again, this is a tool developed by us, Pave Tool. This definitely cuts down on the fatigue of laying these heavy blocks. Particular block on this job site is a block that's 103 pounds. For years we would lay blocks like this by hand. But when you're taking block from a pallet and twisting and trying to get down on your base, it's grueling. And after the end of the day, you really don't feel like doing anything. Even after coffee break, you probably don't feel like doing anything. But with the single block clamp, this is fully adjustable. Then we got a little locking mechanism here. It opens up to 18 inches and it closes way down to 6. You're simply going to set it on your block, let your latch go down, hold on the front of it, lock it in. Now what you've done is just lock this mechanism in place. And again, you can pick either with a machine, with a chain, or by hand. You can also grab your blocks long ways also. Set it to your lightest point, lock it down, push in tight, pick up your block. Quick, easy, efficient. Single block clamp by Pave Tool. Single block clamp by Pave Tool. Quick, easy, efficient.